Hello everyone in the Moto Twins Garage channel. So what we can do today, so part 2 we will start to remove all broken parts from R1, so headlight, plastics and everything. So let's start to work on. We will start working with Yamaha R1. So we will remove headlight, side fairings, rear fairing, and basically remove all broken parts. So let's go. So let's start with the bottom fairing and then let's move on. Alright, so as you can see, there are scratches on the fairing. Alright, so one side is removed, so the same on the other side. Alright, so other side is removed as well, so here is scratches as well. This one is good. Alright, so what next? So basically I remove both sides, so now I need to remove the front fairing. So basically here are two screws there on the speedometer bracket, and I will remove it with the all headlight. The clip-on was broken as well. Those are the handle grips. Already bought different one. Right, so headlight and all front fairing is removed, so few other things and we are done from part removing. And now let's continue with the rear fairing. Alright, so should be done. 3 screws. Need to unplug the lock and that's it. can see this one is broken, scratched, so need a new fairing. This one was broken before, so here you can see there's a damage. Someone was trying to fix this screw, so this one was broken before. Here as well you can see this one, it's not original. You can see this one was repaired before, so headlight, it's a second crash definitely. Whew. This one is completely fine. So luckily the speedometer is fine, everything is good. So as you can see, this bracket is completely broken. Alright, so here you can see all the removed parts, so need to do paint job for few parts. For those ones, for rear fairing, the other side is fine, and the bottom fairing, so, and headlights and few other stuff, I need new ones. So alright guys, this is it. All broken parts are removed, and still need few parts, the new parts for the bike, and then when I will get the old parts, so we will start move on to replace all the broken parts, and we will start to install all parts. So see you next time.